Hey kids, hope you're all well. So we're back again with the third of the CP Company collab reviews. This time we're going to look at the CP Company Marathon. It's a shoe that's based off the Marathon TR. It's another great addition to this collaboration. So yeah, let's take a look inside the box, shall we? Here we go. I mean, this is a shoe that is fantastic anyway, and this iteration, really nice again. You do have this sort of synthetic upper, really striking finish on these. Again, you got the stitched 3 stripes, absolutely fantastic. Let's do a toe to tongue on these. So we go up to the tongue. As with all of these releases, you do have the CP Company motif on one, and yeah, the branding of the Adidas on the other. Mostly synthetic, but if we move round to the heel tab here, you do have a nice suede. Hopefully the camera will pick that up. And we do have CP Company branded on the heel again. This time they've picked the correct colour, in my opinion. So these blue accents complement, and as we go into the shoe, you do have like a sock lining here. So something a bit different, yeah. Look at the insole. Got the dual brand on the footbed, and it is it's an Ortholite footbed. Okay, so these are going to be nice and comfortable to wear. Star of the show with the marathons. As you can see, it is absolutely fantastic. An iconic grip on the base of this shoe. Trifoil Mania. Absolutely fantastic. So that is it, guys, for the CP Company reviews. Hope you like the new branding on the front of the vid and on the YouTube channel site. Just had a bit of fun designing that last night. So we've got a few more bits upcoming. So there's plenty more to come. So please keep your eyes peeled on your feed. But yeah, without much further ado, let's get these on foot. See what they look like. And as always, guys, yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah. Much appreciated, and I will catch you next time. Take care now. Cheers.
Peanuts and caramel. Marathon. Peanuts and nougat. Marathon. Peanuts and chocolate. Comes up peanuts. Slice up the slice. Roasted peanuts. Extra peanuts.
peanut taste.
Comes up peanuts, slice after slice.